Check tayo guys ng Panasonic inverter. So guys, hindi na lumalamig. Tingnan natin anong error niya. 3, 4, 5. At error code is conversion ng F31 3, 4, 5. Okay. Under ang 3, 4, 5. Leaking refrigerant problem. So check refrigerant system. Check location. Location of problem. So it has the leaking. Let's check. Okay, meron pa natira. Okay guys, nakakabit na ang ating yellow hose sa ating 4103 gas. Nakabaliktad na, ready for charging na ang ating blue hose. So nozzle pipe, ang natitirang Freon na naman po is 155 psi. So magkakarga tayo. Pwede na natin kargahan to. Buksan lamang po yung valve na to. At papasok ng liquid sa unit. Pwede po natin siyang kargahan na hindi umaandar ang unit hanggang 250 psi. So yun po yung ito guys, 250 psi. Pwede natin siyang kargahan hanggang dyan. Yung unit, buksan lang natin to. Yan. Napansin nyo, pumapasok yung liquid. Pag magkakarga po tayo ng 410A, baliktad po dapat ang ating tangke. Yan. Yung easiest way guys. Yung iba kinipilo nila. Sa akin naman, pag na-reach yung 250 psi, stop ako. Check natin. Okay. Naka 250 na guys, tigilan na. At inunong kasama ko sa loob. Ayan guys, 250, stop na tayo dyan. Pag andar niyan guys, 150. Yan, 250. Pwede ko nang engage ang gas. Okay. Yan na, mandar na. Kasi natin gas. Engage na. Before you disengage the tank guys, you should off the valve of the guide's manifold. And look, the pressure is now going down from 250 going to 150 now. Soon it will go up to 150. That is my landmark. Okay, charging for 10A is a different to R22 refrigerant. Using weighing scale is the most effective way, but question is, if you do not know the exact pipe length used, just use this method and you will get exactly 150 psi for your running. And let's check. We're using on reading, and look, it reads 9.16 ampere. Okay, look at the pressure, guys, 150 psi. That's all, guys. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated for the next video tutorial.